Okay, we are in cause number 1667236, filed the state of Texas versus Amy Hunter. And are you Amy Hunter?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you see your attorney on this video conference today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And has he been your attorney for at least 10 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did he explain the charge against you and go over some paperwork with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand what was contained in the paperwork?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand today is a court proceeding, that you have agreed to waive your right to enter a plea in the courtroom and to enter it through this video conference.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You are charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol of 0.15. That is a Class A misdemeanor. If you, hold on, are we doing something different?
Been lowered.
Lesser included. All right, I apologize. The state has agreed to go on the lesser included charge of driving while intoxicated, which is the Class B misdemeanor. If you're found guilty of that offense, you could serve up to 180 days in the Tarrant County Jail, and you could have a fine assessed up to $2,000. To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is your client competent?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Based on your plea of guilty, I will find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 150 days in the Tarrant County Jail, but that sentence will be probated for 15 months. So you'll be on probation for 15 months, and there'll be a fine assessed of $500. There will be conditions of probation, and Ms. Vega is on the call today. He is the probation officer for the court, and he can give you some further instructions on that. Make sure when you go over your conditions of probation that you understand each of the conditions of probation and that you follow those conditions. Because if you violate a condition of probation, or if you do not complete a condition of probation, the state could file a motion, and if your probation is revoked, you could serve the 150 days in the Tarrant County Jail, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the plea itself, is there anything else from the state?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
And is there anything else from the defense?
No, Your Honor. One clarification, she needs to report to court 8, correct?
Yes, and that I was going to go over that after as we wrap up the plea, no problem.
Yeah, nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hunter, I have followed the plea bargain, so you do not have a right to appeal, okay? So I'm going to now, and we can go off the record, Nancy, thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Vega is, what time does she need to, what's the latest you can come to the courtroom today?
Within 2 hours.
Okay, so right now it's 10 o'clock. They'll be in the courtroom today until noon. And you will come to the Tim Curry Justice Center, which is at 401 West Belknap. And you will come to the 7th floor. It's been backwards forever. The 7th floor is County Criminal Court number 8. So
Yes, ma'am.
go to 7 to come to court 8. And then you'll see Mr. Vega in the courtroom. The clerk will have some paperwork that you will need to complete. And then you will go over your conditions of probation then, okay? All
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. Does anybody have anything else on this plea?
No, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes. Joe, did you need to have any instructions for her?
To be here by 12.
That's it. Okay. All
I
right.
will my way as soon as we get off.
Great. Good luck to you, Ms. Hunter.